What's good, man? I'm back with another video, and I got a little something in the mail. I mean, it is like 2 or 3 days since Christmas passed, so Merry Christmas to y'all, man. Hope y'all had a good one. But y'all gonna see by the title what I got. So we got some new headlights, my guy. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go ahead and put them on today. You know, so just stay tuned for that, man, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, man, so look, first, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bumper and stuff off. So I mean, I already took this off before, so I can just pull mine like that. I already took the screws and stuff out, so you gotta take these little tabs out right here. Bad boy right there. Alright. I done tweak. Stick that right there. And get this side right here. There we go. Alright, so alright, next thing is gotta unscrew these bad boys. Oh, and yeah, make sure y'all unplug y'all lights before y'all pull out the headlights. Let me unscrew these bad boys. You feel me? Oh, and I don't know if I said it or not, but Merry Christmas to y'all, man. I know I ain't getting no video on Christmas or no vlog or anything. So yeah, Merry Christmas to y'all. Hope y'all had a good one. Just stick that one right there. Matter of fact, I'm plugging this in. I'm gonna have to take this off out of the way. What are I'm tweaking? Boy, my book is so rusty, boy. I'm trying to tell you, dog. Alright, man, so look, you got a 10mm right here and two 10s right there that you gotta take a loose, and a 10 right here. So once you get those off, your junk should come loose. Oh, and make sure you unplug everything or take out, so you won't mess anything up. So alright, so these what the new headlights look like. Basically, they're black housing. So we're about to put these bad boys in. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm about to time lapse this, so I'll see y'all. Alright, man, so it done got dark outside now, so I put the car in so y'all can see how they look. And yeah, man, they are way better than the stocks. You know what I'm saying? These are black housings and it has a little LED bar. So yeah, man, they look good. But I don't know how to wire up the LED bar, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my uncle's crib and he gonna wire them up for me, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get over there. I mean, it's gonna be dark, but it's still kind of work in my favor because I can show y'all how they look at nighttime, and you get to see how they look right now. But yeah, man, they look really aggressive. I like the way they look. So just stay tuned, man, and I'll get back with y'all, man.
They're like terrible, boy.
Like some heat shrink tape. He over there coaching, ain't he?
And we do drive trucks. Should be good enough. And you know the bulb is in there, so you gotta plug it in. And voila, 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 magic. I gotta put this light back on. Look. There we go. Someone, right? Bang! Well, there you have it, dog. You know what I'm saying? They pretty bright, you know. And I got some LEDs in my low beams too, so remember to like, subscribe, and I'm out, dog.